You build your life. I'm Alan from the PopUp Business School, and I was inspired to do this video for you because so often people come to us and say, like, I wish life was this way, or I wish I did this, or I wish I could build a business doing this. And what I wanted to tell you is you built your life. You get to build it how you want it. So what you need to do is decide what kind of life you want to live. Do you want to be a business owner? Do you want to work for someone else? Do you want to build a blog? Do you want to be a writer? Do you want to be a product designer? What kind of life do you want to build? Because I'll tell you what, if you can answer that question, that's 90% of the problem. Then you can start and step by step build it. But you have to decide what kind of life you want to build. And that really is what our whole channel is about, is building the business you want, building the life you want, enabling you to actually make money doing something you enjoy. But you have to build it. So I want you to get started, tuck into the content, find the step-by-step guide, and start working on your own life.